Authorities. National Christmas tree on Tuesday. White House was overthrown in middle of high winds. Around 1700, tree lights were still burning. A crane appeared on the tree behind the tree fence. National Park Service spokesman Sullivan said in a statement that the tree fell at 1700 at 1700. The statement said, after evaluating condition of the tree and changing a broken cable, tree is now upright from 1800, said. The tree has brought coldest air since March while the Arctic air was poured into Washington region. Such winds are not particularly unusual in November. As an average of the region, about 12 days each year. In November over 40 miles with 1 to 2 days 1 to 2 days. He showed that his frequency has increased slightly in the last 15 years. Since the 1970s, national Christmas trees have not been shown in the tree stands, but it has been planted on ellipse. Onge have come across bad ends, including someone who fell from a truck and of transplant shock. At least 3 national Christmas trees, including someone who exploded in 2011, fell from the wind. The tree, which fell on Tuesday, was erected only 2 weeks ago to replace another tree that was erected in 2021 and developed fungal disease.